thought of doing the concept like this, the first thing I tried to Google and find out if there is an alcohol museum in the world. There is absolutely no place where you can see the kind of stuff pertaining to alcohol and more anywhere in the world. There are specific things. If you go to, say, Scotland, they are very proud about their water, about their drink, the Scotch, and they, with pride, they show it. You go to Russia, and Russia, they are very proud to show vodka. And I thought, we come back to India, and we are in our parties, we say we are proud to show a Scottish drink and a Russian drink. When some of the drinks that we have in our country are made without any chemicals. From this soil, what else do you want? And this, along with many other factors, the other factors were, I am a proud Goinkar. I love my state. And my state had to be projected differently, along with our beautiful nation. So I want to show the world that I don't know who invented alcohol, but India is the first country which has an alcohol museum. See, Feni has a heritage tag. Okay? It is the heritage drink of Goa. Now, amongst the 1001 things that I have here, I love to say that what I love to promote here is the fruit of this soil. It's the Feni. So how can I be a Goan? How can I be an Indian and promote a branded scotch of some other company? I owe it to my motherland. My motherland has to be promoted. And if my motherland has to be promoted, the drink of this place has to be promoted.
But
Look, I'll tell you, everything within responsible limits, rational needs is good. You won't see Goans drunks. Okay? Feni is used also as a medicine. Feni is used also as a recreational drink for a social evening. Feni is also used for cooking. Feni has various parts of Goan life. Feni, you have a car. The car has a speed limit from 0 to 250. Nobody told you to drive at 250. You drive at 60, 70. So to everyone, drink responsibly. Look, I own, right next door, I owned a museum called Kali's, which won the national award in 2007 and 6-7. So I am an obsessive collector. So I have collected things that from a very young age, I started collecting things which were different. If I have done this, then you have to take the next step. This is how you build up. But this also requires people, men in society like us, to together help in building up this beautiful state. Look, I love my land. I love my land. I mean, I had a lot of efforts for a lot of business opportunities in India and abroad. I don't like to be an absentee landlord where there is something there and whatever I am doing, I'm very passionate in what I am doing. And I would love to do it in my land other than doing it somewhere. I'd love to holiday. I'd love to see the world. But I would love to do business in my land.
The last question.
There is a beautiful saying in Hindi. पत्थर अपने जगह पे भारी होता है. So I love my land and I love the rocks of my land. I mean, I am myself surprised. Okay, we started on 13th last month, and in 8 days, it was number 1 on Google. Any Google you open and the alcohol museum would come out. Yeah, the kind of calls I got, the kind of reviews written. I am really thankful to my staff, who Arman and the gang, look, very easy to create this. But day in and day out, with the passion at which he has kept the flag flying, is beautiful. Channels, all these channels, promoted positively.
Well, this is the All About Alcohol Museum, which is in Kandoli. And we are proud to say that this is the only alcohol-related museum in the country. And it is a toast to our heritage drink, GI tag drink, Kaju Feni. One of the drinks in the world that is fermented naturally.
Okay.
All our museum is divided into 5 sections to appease to your 5 senses. It's not just about alcohol. We have such beautiful, rare, extravagant exhibits, implements that depict our heritage, our culture, our lifestyle, our artistic passions, as also it reflects on the realities of the past, of the bygone era, from the very creation of Goa to the advent and the departure of the colonial domination in our state. They are amazed, they are amazed because they come with one mindset. We have been given that tag, Goa and alcohol. I tell them, we educate them, I tell them that the consumption of alcohol in Goa was a symbol of hospitality. That this tag given to us, whichever sources, is not actually our culture. You see, it is the Latinity that makes Goa different from the rest of the country. And in the words of Mario Miranda, the renowned cartoonist, this Latinity has to be preserved because it gives Goa that unique character, that unique flavor, which differentiates us from the rest of the country. You see, Rudyard Kipling said, East is East and West is West and never will the twain meet. He was right. Eastern culture is Eastern culture, Western culture is Western culture. But then the West, the Portuguese, the West came, they saw, they liked what they saw, they conquered, they stayed, they overstayed, till the time and the tide and the breeze blew off their sails and the conquerors were conquered. But they did leave behind a legacy. That Latinity, just like the trend, they brought the seed from Brazil and planted in our soil here. And today it's a cash crop. You see? And of course, there are other living monuments that talk for itself. Like our living monuments like churches don't come from an alcohol industry. Okay, I've been working with the Goa tourism. 1980 I joined. I've seen tourism. It is in me. It is in my brains and in my veins. And I've retired 2 years ago, and I'm here. I'm glad that Mr. Nandan has seen me and has sort of tagged me. And he said, this is the man for this museum. We will charge from next month. Okay, we have not decided upon the charge. My boss is a very generous person. I don't think he will charge too much.
Yeah, I'm Dr. Malhotra. And this is, I was just passing by and I just happened to see this place. And the amount of information is hidden in this museum is amazing. Like, this is the first time I've visited this place. And it is amazing, I'm just, dazed and, awestruck with this place. And the quality of information which I got and the conduction of the tour, amazing. Especially the part which was there inside, it has got certain distillery mechanisms which were not known to me. And the amount of, information, the way that thing is kept and the amount of care they do and the mist which is sprayed and all that, it's just amazing to experience this.
Type of music,
this type of things generally, Goa is a capital of you can say beverages and alcohol. Tourists come from all over, not only India, but they come from all over the world. So something like this is a very, very beautiful concept. And I'm so touched that, they took personal care in explaining everything to us. I'm so thrilled.
It was really nice to see how they have preserved everything and to see, and experience how it's the first time over here. And even as a visitor, it's very nice to see how the history has been, especially in the field of alcohol. And it's I have never seen it before, especially in India. So it's really nice to see you and be here.
It's a very unique experience to visit our traditional thing, that our Goan Feni. So it's a very nice thing to know about it. And this and that. Yeah. So as Goans, it's nice to know that we can see this kind of things like the traditional part of Goa. We aren't able to look at it at this part of the time. So it's nice to get an experience of it.
It was really good. See, first of all, drinking has always been a passion, but going deep into the drinking parts and knowing where it all started from and what were the equipments used, as we actually try to drink from every single container that is possible, but having very specific things and knowing the utility of those things and preserving things from 1,000 years plus was something really nice. And you won't find it anywhere else. So, when you have to find it, you have to come here. So, it was an amazing experience. It was nice. I keep coming to Goa a lot of times, and we do take back Feni because, that's what you take back from Goa. But then, knowing those exact combinations which would make a difference, and especially the cocktails that they showed us or we got a chance to taste, actually it changes the whole concept of Feni. It tastes altogether different, and that pungency taste which comes along with the Feni. So those things were gone, and altogether suddenly Feni tasted all different. So it was nice. It was nice. This particular place, yes, this is my first time. And we heard a lot about this place over the social media and stuff, and this was a must-visit place for us. I'm here for only one day. And this was a must-visit place for me, and I'm really glad I could make it here. So it was amazing.